We would be misusing the remedy if we were to take upon ourselves the misfortunes of others, but with a wish for personal happiness, or that others might say of us that we are patient and loving Bodhisattvas, trying thus to build up for ourselves a good reputation. We should free ourselves of all such intentions, and never assume the misfortunes of others for these reasons. Another example of this kind of behavior would be wanting to practice the mind training in order to be cured from a disease, or out of fear of ghosts and spirits. This is just like practicing exorcism with the intention of punishing the spirits with wrathful mantras. It is something which should be completely abandoned. We should not reduce the mind training to the level of mere sorcery by trying to use it as a means of repelling evil influences. Evil spirits and ghosts harm others because they are deluded. We should not practice the mind training against them, but to free them from their bad karma. When they create obstacles, we should practice chod with compassion. Then they will not harm us. Our practice should be the antidote only for our own negative emotions.